If you've ever found yourself stuck on a WordPress problem, or just want to feel more confident navigating the world's most popular website builder, this video is for you. Today, I'll guide you through exactly how to find the best help with WordPress in 2026, no matter your budget or technical background. By the end, you'll know where to find reliable answers, friendly communities, and even top-tier professionals, so you're never left scratching your head again. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the official free resources that WordPress offers. If you're using a self-hosted WordPress org site, the support forums are your main hub for help. Think of this as a massive library where people just like you have asked thousands of questions over the years. All you have to do is use the forum search bar. There's a very good chance someone faced your exact issue before. If you don't find your answer, you can create a new post. The best part, volunteers from around the world, everyone from beginners to seasoned developers, are there to help out, and you won't pay a cent. Just remember, the clearer your question, the more likely you'll get a helpful reply. Next, there's Learn WordPress, an official learning platform full of video lessons, live online workshops, and detailed courses. Whether you're installing your very first plugin or tackling advanced coding, there's probably a lesson that walks you through the process. It's kind of like having a toolkit that grows with you, so whenever you hit a wall, you have an easy, structured way to learn what you need. Don't overlook the official documentation either. WordPress docs are incredibly thorough, the owner's manual for every feature you could imagine. If you prefer step-by-step written guides to watching videos, this is definitely for you. And if you're running a site on WordPress.com, the totally hosted version, your support options are even wider. You automatically get a help center, 24/7 chatbots, and if you have a paid plan, access to real human experts day or night. But sometimes you want a more personal touch or to connect with people who have faced the same unique challenges. That's where community and niche forums come in. Social media is a goldmine. Facebook groups like Advanced WordPress are fantastic for deep, professional discussions, while others like WordPress Explained are super friendly to beginners. Don't worry if you're not sure where to start, just join, introduce yourself, and ask questions. If you're dealing with coding headaches, platforms like Stack Exchange are the place to go. Here, expert developers upvote the most helpful answers, so the best solutions rise to the top. For more real-time help, check out Reddit communities like r/pro WordPress or join the official WordPress Slack workspace in channels such as Core Performance. These chat-style options are much more interactive. You can get feedback almost instantly, which is a lifesaver during a major hiccup. Of course, there may come a time when you need professional, hands-on support. Maybe your site is crucial to your business, or you simply don't have the time to troubleshoot. In that case, services like WP Buffs or WP Brigade can take care of your site 24/7, covering everything from security to software updates for a monthly fee. If you need to hire a developer for a custom project, new platforms like Jobberzio make it easy to find and connect with vetted WordPress experts worldwide. Codable, in particular, is known for pre-screening their experts, so quality is prioritized. And for those smaller tasks like fixing a stubborn theme bug, Upwork or Fiverr can match you with freelancers at nearly any price point. Lastly, if your issue centers on a specific plugin or theme, go straight to the source. For free products, every item on WordPress.org has its own support forum. Just visit your plugin or themes page and hit View Support Forum. For paid premium products, most developers offer direct support via their own websites, and usually your purchase includes dedicated assistance for at least 6 to 12 months. Don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, they want happy customers too. No matter your question, there's always help available. If this walkthrough was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your WordPress questions in the comments. I check every one. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials to help you master your website. Thanks for watching and happy WordPressing.